As efficient as commercial banks look, a report on the banking sector for 2019 by Summit Consult shows that on average, the cost-to-income ratio for the sector is as high as 85 and persists high. The authors of the report blame it on things like automation that really fell short of the purpose.
Personally, I can refer to some of the banks in Uganda as pseudo-automated. They are automated manual banks. An automated manual bank is a bank which has spent a lot in capex investing in a digital agenda, but they have failed to change the skills and attitude and mindset of the people running the bank to embrace this. So even when you now if you wanted to renew your Visa card and you call a bank which says it's automated, the first thing the person on the call will tell you is visit your nearest branch.
Then banks, especially the multinationals, experience high costs from being interlinked than the opposite.
Centralized procurement of services, whereby they will insist that instead of procuring services at the branch level in Uganda, the decisions are taken at the branch level. And of course, they have reason for it. So you find that a consultant coming to work in Uganda has to be recruited from abroad. So this is why they will tell you, if you are going in Uganda to do business with any financial institution, you have to first play golf in Nairobi. Why? Because decisions will rarely be made here.
The report shows that borrowing to acquire such assets as cars, based on collateral like land, is one of the problem areas where defaults are more experienced.
And that's why you see a lot of the problems which are happening in banking is because the person who got the loan was premised on the collateral they have. Now, some people got collateral not because they are brilliant. It was bequeathed to them. So if I have my parents who are rich, they give me an asset, or they died and left it with me in my possession, doesn't mean that I'm a good businessman. So the bank will come, they see they value my land maybe 1 billion or 3 billion, and on that basis they give me a loan of 800. But because I've never used that money, when I get it, I will just go and begin spending anyhow. I will even begin traveling to China, go to Hong Kong, just to see. But remember, I'm spending money which is not mine. So this lack of awareness and giving loans based on the collateral, not on the soundness of the business for which the money has been sought, is the biggest cause of unproductivity by durables.
To the extent that the operation of banks remains very expensive, any actions by government or the regulator to rein in on lending persistently remains ineffective. Christine Kasemire, NTV Business.